Today we're shooting Sony Artisan versus Pro Photographer. So for today's challenge, I have with me Sony Artisan Miguel.
My name is Miguel Quiles. I've been a professional portrait photographer now for about 11 years. Been a Sony Artisan for about 7 years of that. Happen to have the Alpha 1 with me today. I've got it with the 70-200 G Master lens version 2.
You're gonna have 3 minutes to get the best shot. I thought because, you know, you're an artisan, it should be no problem for you.
That's plenty of time.
Plenty of time. So just get the best photo possible. We're gonna have 2 rounds.
Cool.
Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Simple, it's easy.
I was born ready.
This is how professionals
decide.
This is how we decide
these
okay,
things,
ready?
right? Dang it. Oh. Okay, you won that one.
I think it's gonna be you. I was gonna say it's gonna be me to do the in-sync reference, but it didn't work out, so it's gonna be you.
Wow. It's only 3 minutes, so you gotta work kind of quick. This is something you get used to as a professional photographer. It's just like scout the location, just shoot something, see if it works, and if it does, great, you're a hero, and if it doesn't, on to the next place.
Your 3 minutes starts now.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so Allegra, do me a favor. I'm gonna have you stand right here, and let me just kind of see. All right, maybe twist a little bit this way. Awesome. She makes it so easy, you know? Just for those people watching at home, the secret is have Allegra for a shoot and, and you're good. You're good to go. Pretty much every photo shoot that I do, I have a time limit of some sort. And I actually like working that way because if I start thinking about things a little bit too much, it's like, oh, I don't like this, or I could do this better, or oh, I wish we were on the other side of the park. Kind of interested to see with this lighting here. Right there, stop. That's perfect. And maybe doing something kind of like, you know, you're leaning up against the, whatever this is.
I didn't even know that Miguel was shooting because I think his shutter was on silent, so literally he was probably taking like 800 pictures. I did not hear one sound. I'm like, is he actually taking pictures?
Kind of using the barn for some leading lines here. Love it. How much time do I have on the clock?
1 minute.
Wow. Good. A little bit this way, step sideways like that way. Perfect. Yeah.
5 seconds.
Done.
Up.
Donezo, baby. I mean, I think I did okay. You know, all things considered, with 3 minutes only to like think rapidly. I didn't have any of my settings dialed in. I did have an advantage in that I'm shooting mirrorless, and so I could see what that exposure is going to be before I take the photograph. So it's maybe a little bit, you know, of cheating. Holy cow, that was so easy. Hopefully I didn't make it look too easy, you know, it's... Or maybe I made it look hard, I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm like, I can't get out of my body to see like how this stuff works, so
you gotta kind of be like a bystander. Oh, my camera, I need my camera.
You don't even need a camera, girl, you got this.
Just, he's like, use an iPhone because you're not an artisan.
Just like this.
Oh, just like this.
Boom.
Okay, and next one.
Done.
Imagine you showed up to a photo shoot and the photographer's like, okay, next one.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, let's have you like sitting right here.
I don't know if I can sit in a skirt.
Oh, that's right. Okay, then let's have your knees pointed this way. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Are you okay? Okay, be careful. Both of your arms like on the tree. Are you okay? Are you good? How about, would it be better if you sat on that back one right there? What if I don't take any pictures, Miguel? Okay, I know I'm trying. Okay, I don't know if no. I need an extra 40 seconds. There's a wasp. There's a wasp. No. We were being attacked by giant mosquitoes. They're the biggest mosquitoes I've ever seen. Maybe they were probably wasps. They're probably wasps. They could do some damage, right? I've watched the movie Ants. I feel like they were in that movie and they killed a lot of ants in the movie. Oh my God. All right. Let's have like your hands kind of like.
You see a little wasp and it's like, you know, it's a friendly wasp. Wasps, I'm sure in Detroit are, you know, they're probably different.
Yes. Actually, both pieces. Are you okay though? If there's any bugs? Yeah.
It was interesting to watch Jess shoot.
Oh my God, my settings are like not right.
Actually, for being so stressed out, I think she did good. She did okay.
More softer, yeah. What? Oh my God, I literally took like 3 pictures. Okay. I definitely struggled during my photo shoot. I truly underestimated how little 3 minutes is. No matter how many times I do these challenges, I always think, oh, I have enough time. I don't ever have enough time. And take a step forward. Ah! Oh my God.
2, 1.
Okay.
Time's up.
Yeah, honestly, in my defense, if I could appeal to the judge.
I'm not a judge. Well, what's the excuse though?
It's not an excuse. It was a life-threatening situation.
Branch right there. That
Yeah,
just
I
literally
feel like
almost-
that wasn't there before. I did trip on the giant leaf that I don't remember ever being there. I don't know where it came from. It wasn't part of the tree. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll leave it up to you guys.
You know, it was just placed in the right spot for Jess to just, but she didn't fall though. Her balance is pretty good, so I gotta give it up.
Honestly, I think I need like extra 10 seconds.
I mean, how about this? I will give you an extra 10 seconds.
Okay, thank you.
What you got? Starting now. 10, 9,
And then let's do some shoulder with your shoulder.
7, 3, 2,
Lift your chin up.
1.
Okay, that's all I needed.
The extra 10 seconds definitely helped out tremendously. I don't think she would have done nearly as well if it wasn't for the 10 seconds.
So this is our second location. We're at this beach. It's cloudy. We got pretty lucky with this weather right now. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so we do have 3 minutes. Hopefully it'll stay cloudy for at least 6 minutes.
I mean, it'll at least be cloudy for mine because having these clouds it just makes
it
for beautiful photos.
Depends who's going first.
Oh, you're right.
So, okay, I do it again.
I need to make a phone call.
What do you mean?
I had to call my helicopter pilot just for a minute. We just had to talk.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
He's gonna like sprinkle some things in the cloud.
Yeah.
Who's going first?
Ladies first.
Thank you. It's cloudy, so
I need time to make some calls, so ladies first.
The cloud, like everything's just become sunny.
Hi guys, my name's ALLEGRA Paris. I'm a model based in Miami, Florida. I've been modeling for almost 10 years, which is crazy. I feel old, but I'm super excited to do this challenge with you guys, and yeah.
3, go.
Time starts now? Okay. All right. Yeah, this is really pretty light actually. So pretty. Yeah, stay right there. And then lift your chin up. Okay, let's go to the water because I feel like if I came all the way here and not to the water, right, that would be tragic. How about you're like turning, yeah, kind of like that, yeah. Yes, gorgeous. Stay right there.
To my eyes, it looks like Jessica is really, really nervous right now. Like the pressure is getting to her. She's just running out of creative ideas. You could hear it, you could see it on her face, her movements, her expressions. I think I got this thing on lockdown, but let's see if she could turn it around at some point because it's not looking too good, folks.
Dude, how much time do I have? Are you giving me extra time?
Nope, you got a minute, 10 seconds.
Okay, wow. Okay, Allegra, let's have you. Oh, let's go. Come right here, Allegra. Gorgeous. Lift your chin up a bit. Great job. The sun's out. Miguel, why do I hear a helicopter, Miguel?
I don't know.
So he said it's a mystery?
So for Jess's shots, like she had mostly cloud cover for like the first 2 minutes, then the sun crept out the last minute. So we probably won't see any of those like final minute shots that she took because they didn't come out good. But no, just kidding. 7,
this way.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Softer, chin up.
Time.
Okay. We did so good. You did so good. Yes.
That the sun came out at like the tail end of that.
Okay, Miguel, your time starts now.
All right, let's go. Allegra, this way. We're really close. I want you to stand in this little alcove here. A little bit more forward, just a bit. Oh, the shadows. These shadows, rotate a little bit. This I can work with. Yeah, just looking at how these shadows are kind of playing with the face. Just love the foliage in the background. Looks really cool. It's nice having a 70 to 200 as well. I'm just working on headshots right now. Let's try to do something on this like little scene here, like maybe standing up. No, because I'm gonna shoot kind of low. So rotate body this way, just like that. Looks kind of cool. Yeah. This is cool. Hold that. Beautiful.
I was able to shoot first, thankfully, so I got the cloudy light. Miguel, actually, it's so funny because as soon as I finished, the sun came out, and Miguel was stuck shooting in the sunlight, which I thought was funny. Like, normally I really like shooting in sunlight, but depending on what time of day it is, like this is actually the worst time of day for photographers to shoot.
Awesome. All right. And so much to do, so little time to do it in. How much time do I have left? About a minute, okay. All right, let's go over here. I want you to do something with these branches, like kind of just like playing off of the branches, but yeah. Go into the bushes a little bit. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is photo of the day. Hold that. Beautiful. Next pose, there you go.
Well, Miguel was all up in the trees and the leaves. I'm feeling like he really likes shooting in leaves. That's what I get from all this. He loves portraits. He loves leaves and framing his subject with leaves. Like that. Like this would be a shot that he. I mean, I'm surprised he's not taking. I'm surprised he's not taking pictures right now of me, like in this leaf right now.
Same spot. Actually, come into this spot right here. Stop right there. It's good. Good.
3, 2, 1, eat.
Boom. Got it. Done. 3 minutes is like a lifetime on some other planet that's not here.
All right, guys, we completed the 2 rounds. We had 3 minutes each. I would say we did a job well done.
I hope so. I mean, because that would be like really sad. Like this location's beautiful, model's beautiful, like.
And we just did a terrible job.
And that would be bad.
Well, we would love to thank our amazing model Allegra for posing literally in any situation. I mean, we had her in a tree in the ocean almost. So
almost, yeah. She was
so
balancing
she did a
on
great
that,
job.
yeah.
Check out her Instagram. We're gonna have a link down below. Miguel, thank you so much for joining me on today's challenge, and thanks for giving me a coconut.
You know, enjoy it. It's just sized. It's a just sized coconut.
I love it.
Just for you.
Let us know what you guys think of the pictures, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace out.
Bye. I was gonna be like this. Bye.